Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Quebec Garage. Today I've got a 3D print that I've just finished up and got partly painted, and I'll get the camera turned around and we'll go over this. So hang on and we'll be right back. So here we go. I printed a 3D T-Rex skull, and this is a 1 week print. It took a week to print this, and it was all put together yesterday and painted this morning in hammered brown. I'm going to wash it, do a dry brush wash on it next, and it's going to get mounted to this piece of fossil limestone or sandstone or whatever you call it. So I'm going to get this all dry brushed, mounted, put together, and when it's all done we will bring you back to show you what it looks like. So stay tuned, we'll be back later. I said I'd bring you back when it was done. So here we go. The sandstone fossil base with a piece of square tubing that's been cut to length and painted brassy gold. You can see the skull here, and maybe some of the black dry brushing on there. It's kind of hard to tell in this light, but it does have some black dry brushing on it to give it a little bit of a dull tone. So there we have it, a week print, total 7 pieces, done on the Prusa Mini 3 printer, and you guys should look forward to see what the next project may be. So there's the T-Rex. So I just want to thank everybody for tuning in again to the Quebec Garage to see this latest 3D project finished. It was a fun project, and I hope to do a few more. So thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye.